what your insurance doesn't cover and why that matters. One of the biggest misunderstandings I see as an insurance advisor is this. People assume their homeowner's policy covers anything that goes wrong, and that's simply not how insurance works. Insurance is designed to protect you from sudden and accidental losses. It's not designed to function as a maintenance plan, and understanding that difference is extremely important. Let me explain what that means. If your roof is aging and eventually needs to be replaced, that's wear and tear. Insurance doesn't step in just because something reached the end of its lifespan. If you have a termite damage or pest damage, that's considered a maintenance issue. If you have a slow pipe leaking that's been happening for months behind a wall, that might fall under long-term or gradual damage, which is often excluded. And one of the most common misunderstandings is flood damage. Standard homeowners insurance does not cover flooding from rising water. That's a separate policy entirely. This isn't meant to scare you one, it's meant to clarify expectations. Insurance policies have boundaries for a reason. They're structured to cover unpredictable events, like a sudden pipe burst, fire, or wind damage. When people assume everything is covered, disappointment happens at claim time. And claim time is the worst time to discover a misunderstanding. At Vermost Insurance Agency, we serve as trusted insurance advisors. That means our role isn't to just place coverage, it's to walk through what your policy does and what it doesn't do, and whether additional endorsements make sense. For example, water backup coverage, ordinance of law coverage, flood insurance, or adjusting deductibles appropriately. If you'd like to review your current policy or clarify what your coverage includes, you can reach one of our trusted insurance advisors at 727-748-2886. Because clarity today prevents frustration tomorrow.